Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today I'm just giving an introduction to the Marma Chikitsa, the role of Marma Chikitsa in women's health. This is my topic, and I want to share my some experiences regarding this topic, and I hope that you will like it. Actually, people do not know many of us about more about this science, and they ask many times that what is this science and what is the Marma science. So I'm just giving you an explanation to those people who want to know about this science that these are the part of body's vital pranic energy circuit. I just describe it as a circuit and with certain area that is specified as energy switches. You can specify it as an energy switches, and where the we can identify and give proper stimulation to these switches, the results are outstanding. That is the only definition which I want to share with you. Another definition is there, that the junction of the mans, the sira, the snayu, the asthi and sandhi, and the prana that resides on that part where we feel a slight pain in that area when we press it, and that part is known as the marma part. That vital area is known as the marma. I'm just presenting a diagram in front of you, and that diagram shows the body's circuit. If you look this diagram, this circuit of the body, it just you can watch clearly there are so many switches in this diagram. And if you want to know about these switches, I just explain how this circuit works. The people ask that how this circuit works. The stimulating a point changes the body's biochemistry and can unfold radical alchemical change in one's makeup. Stimulation of these inner pharmacy pathway signals the body to produce exactly what it needs, including hormones and neurochemical that heal the body, mind, and consciousness. Means these are certain area where if you press or stimulate, there is a change in the body's biochemistry. That change will be unfold radical alchemical change, and that is a inner pharmacy pathway signals in the body which produce exactly what you need, that the change in the physiology of hormones, the neurochemicals, and that heal the body, mind, and consciousness. So now I'm just coming to the next point. How many switches are in the body? The next question arises. There are 107 switches, which is in this diagram. You can find these switches. But there is another question, that are the 107 switches are useful or not? So I'm just coming. Yes, there are certain points that is specifically helpful for the female health. And I am just describing these points in the 5 points. That is, yes, they can prevent the breast cancer, they can prevent the heart disease, they can prevent the ovarian and cervical cancer, they can prevent the pregnancy issues, while the prevention of autoimmune disease as well as anxiety and depression. These 5 points are very important for female health. So if you prevent these conditions, then it is a great way of success. How you can prevent a female from breast cancer? This is a question which arises. The breast cancer may or may not cause symptoms. Some women may discover the problem themselves, while others may have the abnormality first detected on a screening examination. There are certain symptoms by which you can identify. There are some non-painful lumps or masses, the lumps or swelling under the arms, the nipple skin change or discharge, the noticeable flattening, or in indentation of the breast, the change in the nipple, as well as the unusual discharge from the nipple. These are certain symptoms by which you can identify breast cancer in a female. So what is the remedy? How you can cope up or how you can prevent? So there are certain points in our body. I'm just giving an introduction that how these points are helpful for preventing the breast cancer. There are 2 points that they are very important points, and one is the stana moola marma that is present in the root of the breast. If you want to identify the point that is located in the chest, 2 fingers below the nipple. While there is another point that is known as stana rohit marma, and that is at the upper region of the breast, that is 2 fingers directly above and to the center of the nipples. And this is the diagram in which a female is standing by positioning his hand across the chest, and that position also indirectly stimulating the stana moola and stana rohit marma. So by stimulating these 2 points, it is very helpful for preventing the breast cancer. Second most important cause of the female health that deteriorates the female health is the coronary heart disease. And there is a study in which it shows that it kills twice as many women as breast cancer. Means the chances of death is very similar as in the breast cancer scenario, and the same in the coronary heart disease also. This is a study based on UK, and that proves that the coronary heart disease kills twice as women as breast cancer. So you want to know that how you can cope up from this dreadful disease and for a female. Yes, there are certain remedies. There are 2 points which I want to explain you. The one point that is a very important point which again and again I elaborate it in my many lectures. That first one is the Tala Hrudaya Marma. The name itself denotes that this point is situated at the heart or center of the palm. It is a Mansa Marma, it is the muscular Marma point, and of a half finger unit situated in the center of the palm, facing the root of the middle finger, that is center of the palmar surface of the hand, that is superficial to the third metacarpophalangeal joint. It is an important point for energy circulation for the entire body. So the energy is a necessity for male and female, and for female heart disease it is a very effective point which controls the pranavah srotas, that is heart, that is the lungs, the bhrasak pitta. The bhrasak pitta is a very important part classification, a type of pitta which controls the circulation and heat reception on the skin. And the important type of kapha, that is avalambak kapha, which is the basic by which we get the function of the lubrication of heart and lungs. So if heart is functioning well, then there is the least chances of the heart disease. So by stimulating this point, we can prevent the heart disease of a female, which is the second most common problem after the breast cancer. So I request all of our female viewers that is simply you just draw an imaginary line from the tip of the middle finger up to the base of the palm and just cut it, the point which come at the center of the palm, that is known as Tala Hrudaya Marma. So this is a very important point. I already explained. Yes, it is Kalantar Pranhar Marma, but it is a very effective point. You can stimulate, you can simply massage, circular massage to this point. So by this, you can minimize your chances of heart disease. You can control your blood pressure, either it is hypertension or hypotension. In both conditions, this point works very well. Now come to the next point. That is a very important point, that is known as Kshipra Marma. The name Kshipra itself indicates the quick action, the instant action. The instant, there are many people who are explaining Ayurveda is a very long acting therapy. But I just disagree with those fellows who telling this science as a long acting therapy. It is a very short acting therapy. You can get instant results. The name itself denotes the Kshipra Marma. Kshipra means instant, immediate effect. So there are two Kshipra Marma in upper extremity as well as the two Kshipra Marma in the lower extremity. How you can identify these points? Simply, it is situated, I just look at the diagram, it is situated between thumb and index finger, bilaterally on the dorsal and palmar surface of the hand, in the web formed by the dorsal interosseous muscle. There is a muscle at the joint that is known as interosseous muscle, and that is present between first and second metacarpal bone, and that point is known as the Kshipra point, Kshipra Marma point. That is painful, yeah, but very effective. It is very effective for heart, very effective for lungs. So by stimulating this point, you can prevent the heart disease. Actually, this point directly affects on the Avalambak Kapha, and as you all know that Avalambak Kapha is an important type of Kapha which controls, which manages the function of the heart as well as the lungs. So by stimulating these 2 points, we can say that this will prevent female from heart disease. So these are very important points for female heart disease. So now come to the next point, that is third point. There are many cases in the females, they suffer from ovarian and cervical cancer. The ovarian and the cervical cancer are a very common problem associated with a female health. So if we want to control these type of conditions, there are certain points which are very effective for controlling ovarian as well as the cervical cancer. Means they are beneficial for the gynecological health of a female. So what are these points? If you want to know these points, yes, I want to explain these points. One is the Katik Tarun Marma and another one is the Kukundar Marma. The name is very impressive. The Katik Tarun Marma. Do you want to know this Marma? I think that everybody wants to know this Marma point. Yes, it is situated in the hip joint and it is of half angula pramana at the hip joint, located 2.5 angula downwards and inwards from the greater trochanter of the femur, the line that is joined the greater trochanter with the ischial tuberosity. So this is a very important point, as usually we sit on this by Vajrasana in the same posture. So if you just modify your Vajrasana, you can stimulate this point. This is Katik Tarun Marma. Now other questions arises that how this point and how if we sit in Vajrasana, how this will be effective in a female health. So my dear friends, I am just explaining that by sitting in the position, this point controls the bone and skeletal system, the Asthivahasrotas, the Slaichak Kapha, the Swaidavahasrotas, and relieves the Vata. And this is a very effective point which is especially effective for the disorders or disease associated with the pelvic region. And as you all know, the ovarian and cervical cancer are the dreaded disease associated with the pelvic region. So by simply sitting on this way, you can prevent a female from ovarian and cervical cancer. So I try to emphasize that by simple upgradation in sitting postures, you can avoid many ailments. The another one is the Kukundara Marma. Kukundara, the name itself gives a very beautiful presentation. The Kukundara Marma, the name explain, it is at the site of the loin. The posterior superior iliac spine is the site. This is Sandhi Marma. In the lower diagram you can see actual the position of this point. How this point controls in a female. It directly controls the circulatory system and the blood formation. As you all know, the blood formation is an important part, that is Raktavah Srotas, and the formation of Rakta, Dhatu and Ranjak Pitta. The Ranjak Pitta leads to the coloration of the blood as well as the menstrual system. So for improving the menstrual health of a female, this Marma point, which is located in the posterior superior iliac spine notch just above the buttock, is very important. So by simply pressing this point with thumb is very effective. So these two type of tips, if a female regularly apply in her life, she can prevent herself from ovarian and cervical cancer. So now come to the people ask, yeah, can we press the Marma points in a pregnancy conditions? I am saying no. Marma points should not be stimulated in pregnancy. Why? What is the question? The Marma science is a science which based on the stimulation of the certain points, and by stimulating these points, we are just providing the positive pranic energy to a certain organ, corresponding organ. But as you all know that a female having a fetus, if you press some point, unwillingly you are also pressing the point of a baby which is still in developmental stage. So by giving a stimulus or an unnecessary pain to that baby, there is chances you can provide a garbhopaghat bhav that is mentioned by Maharshi Sushruta. Maybe the child become unhealthy or he came out with a congenital abnormality. So avoiding these two conditions, we should not stimulate the Marma points in pregnancy. There are very common problems in females that is known as autoimmune disease. And if you look the 5 factors of the common autoimmune diseases, number 1 is rheumatoid arthritis. The number 2 is the autoimmune thyroiditis. The number 3 is the celiac disease. The number 4 is the Graves' disease. By the number 5 is the diabetic mellitus, that is type 1. Yes, type 2 also. So, but these are the most common autoimmune disease. As you all know, the autoimmunity is an inbuilt immune error in which our own immune cells react against the normal cells, and they leads to some ailments like the rheumatoid arthritis. So there is a very difficulty to treat such conditions because our own immunity is working against us. So there are not so much options available for treating such an ailments. So how the Marma science is important for treating the autoimmune disease of a female. As I am explaining that the rheumatoid arthritis, if you look the data, this is a 4:1 ratio. It means in female it is most common. The thyroid problem is also most common in female. The celiac disease, the Graves' disease, these are also certain conditions which we routinely find out in females nowadays. So how you can manage through this science? There is a question in your mind. So answer is that yes, we can manage these conditions. Even I am challenging that by proper stimulation of these Marma point, you can not only manage, you can cure also. I have so many cases I have seen that in which patients is in certain non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, as well as she's taking many of the corticosteroids. And by stimulating these points and applying in the same way the pranayam as well as the dietary control, she is now free from his ailments of the rheumatoid arthritis. To what points we have to stimulate in such condition? Same, the Chipra Marma, which is situated in the upper extremity and lower extremity. This is a very important point. The Manimanda Marma, that is in the wrist joint area. The Kurpar Marma, that is in the elbow joint area. The Janu Marma, that is in the knee joint area. The Gulf Marma, that is in the ankle area at the middle malleolus. So these are some points which is very important for the rheumatoid arthritis. Same, if you want to know the points related with the thyroid problem, which is common in female, then there are 4 points, which is very important. One is Chipra, second one is the Kupara, third one is the Manibandha, and fourth one is the Amsamarma. In this diagram, you are just looking how you can identify the Amsamarma. The Amsamarma, we can simply, it is in the coracohumeral or glenohumeral ligament, and simply you can identify this marma point, and the stimulation process is of the middle finger. You can stimulate this point, and this point is very effective for treating the arthritis as well as the thyroid problems also. So now come to the next point. The anxiety and depression is a very common problem in recent era, and nowadays the COVID-19 also created an atmosphere in which everybody is now confined to his home and not working on his daily routine. Means they are confined to their work from home. So they are in stress that what happens future next. So many cases are now coming with COVID-19 that creates a stress level, anxiety level, not only in female, it also in the male. But yeah, definitely the male are very much, and personality wise, they explore themselves. They sometimes go outside also. They sometimes socially connected also. But the females are confined to their home and they are busy in the household works. So there is chances of anxiety and depression. So how we can manage a female in which anxiety and depression is very common? So simply the answer is the Marma science, in which if you stimulate Adipati Marma, that is located at the vertex, just look the diagram. You just stimulate the Simanta Marma, that is 5 in number and situated at the coronal suture, sagittal suture, and the lumbrical suture. You can stimulate the Manibandha Marma that is situated in the wrist point. You can stimulate the Kurcha Marma that is situated just in the thumb, at the root of the thumb, while the Kurchir Marma that is situated between the wrist joint and the Kurch Marma. And simply, I have already explained the Talahridaya Marma that is very effective for anxiety and depression, as this is the source of the energy. So there are many conditions like celiac disease. Nowadays, the dietary habits, the food habits, the different type of diets, the fast food, the pizza, the burger, and other things also leads to certain conditions. You can know it as an celiac disease. So you can ask, yeah, that problem is also common in men and women also. But I am just confining here with the topic of the women's health. So if you want to prevent such conditions, then there is a two answer. Yes, the Marma science got this answer. You will get the same results from the Marma science. Simply by stimulating the Indrabasti Marma, which is situated just 4 finger below the elbow joint, and the Kurpar Marma that is situated in the medial epicondyle and the lateral epicondyle of the elbow joint. Yes, you can prevent. These are important points for celiac disease, not only for the celiac disease, but also for the metabolic disorders. Not only for the metabolic disorders, the Indrabasti Marma is very effective for treating the gynecological other problems also, the renal problems also, the PCOD problems also. So we can say that This therapeutic science is very important for preventing a female from different health conditions. So there are so many cases we saw in the recent era due to the maximum use of the computers, the laptops, the gadgets. Means the screen and human contact is very common, and in that condition the posture is very important, and definitely we adopt a certain posture when we are looking to our mobile, our laptop, and that condition leads to cervical spondylosis. It is a very common problem in female as well as in the male also. And it is why it is caused. It is caused by the abnormal wear and tear of discs and joints of the neck, which leads to the neck pain, which radiates towards both the hands. What is the answer? How you can prevent this condition? You can prevent this condition by simply stimulating the Kurpara. I already explained the Kurpara marma is situated in the lateral and medial epicondyle of the elbow joint. You can just stimulate the Ansa marma situated at the glenohumeral ligament. You can stimulate the Ansa phalak marma, which is situated at the superior medial angle of the scapula. So these are three marma points which can prevent us from the different cervical conditions like spondylosis, spondylitis, and spondylolithiasis. These three conditions we can prevent ourselves, as well as we can prevent the female from getting these type of ailments. So my conclusion is that this is a very universally sustainable, non-invasive, non-medicinal, and potentially effective system. I am again explaining 3 points. The non-invasive, there is no pain, no invasion, nothing. You are not putting any trauma to a patient simply by applying the finger to certain point. Non-medicinal, the recent era, the medicine expenses is so much medicinal treatment is so much expensive. But by this way of treatment, you are not providing any medicine to any patient. So if this is a cost-effective management in which you are giving nothing to a patient. So this is a very cost-effective management, and the effectiveness is potentially very effective system. You just apply in yourself, and if you get result, then you just advise to your patients. So I can say that पहले इस्तेमाल करो, फिर विश्वास करो. First try on yourself, then trust, and then treat to others. So I say that, yeah, it can be used for maintaining a good health of females, and the regular practice of this science, this treatment in females definitely boosts the reproductive, psychological, and endocrine health of a female. The 3 points are very important. The reproductive health, if it is good, it will give us a healthy child, which is a base of a nation. If the child is healthy, and beti bachao, beti padhao means the reproductive health, the psychological health. If reduce the stress level, definitely female becomes stress free. The whole the atmosphere of the home is also stress free. And endocrine health, definitely all these things depends on the endocrine health, as the thyroid problem, the pituitary problem, the suprarenal gland problems. If it is managed by simply the Swamarma Chikitsa, then it can control all the health issues related with the endocrine system. So I can say that, yes, this Chikitsa along with the pranayama, if you apply, definitely it reduces the anxiety and depression in a female. So my dear friends, finally, I am giving thanks to all of you for joining me in a short lecture and learning the trailer of the basics of this science. I am just giving an opportunity to all of you. If you want to learn this basic science and advanced science, yes, myself, Dr. Naveen Joshi. My email is adfindia.in@gmail.com, and our website is www.ayushdarpan.org, www.ayushdarpanjournal.com, and www.adfindia.in. And if you want to join such classes, web classes, that is the beginners as well as the advanced classes, so you may contact to these numbers which is displayed in your screen, that is 9411379993 and 097608468878. So thank you for watching this short session, and I hope that you got the introductory information regarding this science. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Thank you.